So now you can configure the rewards. You can change the number of referrals required for the user to get a reward. You can choose between 1 and up to 100 people, though I actually recommend using no more than 5 or maybe 10 people, because if the user has to refer 100 people to get something for free, I think it's very likely that he's not even going to start referring your site to anybody else. And there is the reward URL, which you can include, but you don't have to include. So let me just explain this in more detail. If you enter a reward URL, what happens is, on the member page, if the user logs in and he has referred enough people to get the reward, he's going to see a link to this reward URL. And in the email he'll be getting, if he has referred enough people, this URL will also be inside. So this way it doesn't make sense for you to edit the reward page in the content area. If you don't enter a URL here, this means that if the user has referred enough users, he's going to receive the email to the link to the reward page in the email, and this is another page you can edit and put anything you want on there. So maybe you don't want to offer the user download for free. You might also have just some information on the page, so the reward page could be the reward itself. It doesn't need to be any download. You don't need to use any URL. You can just put it directly on the reward page. So just to sum this up, if you're using a reward URL, the reward page doesn't need to be edited because the user is not going to see it, because the reward URL is integrated in the member page. If you're using not using a URL, the user will see a link to the reward page instead of the URL with the reward, and you can edit this as well, and even add your link there to the download if you wish. Well, I hope you understood that, because it's kind of complex, I think. So now let's go to the analytics section, which is very, very simple. So if you've got a Google Analytics account, the only thing you've got to do is create a new profile for this website and create a Google Analytics code, tracking code, paste it here, click on save, and that's all. Same here with conversion goals. If you're using Google AdWords and you've got some AdWords ads pointing to your site powered by the ViraListMachine, you can create conversion goals, and you can insert the conversion goal code right here for sign up, for confirmation of the sign up, for referral, and if the user has accessed the reward. So the last page here is the system information page, which just shows you the version of the ViraListMachine you've got installed, the URL of the official website, and you see the operating system of your server, the server software, server time, IP, host, PHP version on your server, and the MySQL version. So this is mostly only important if you experience some problems and if you wish to contact me to look into this, maybe to fix a bug. It's very important for me to have all of the information on this page so that I can analyze the problem and fix it, if it's possible to fix it, of course. Which most of the time it is possible to fix. Yeah, so that's the administration area. Now let's log out, and you see there is the new website we have just created with the logo, welcome to the demo. Yeah, that's all.